that I'll be using for today's recipe. I have thyme, habanero pepper, some chopped up onion powder, complete seasoning, buttermilk, garlic powder, all-purpose seasoning, cayenne pepper for the extra spice, pink Himalayan salt, some Creole seasoning, all-purpose flour. Grab a lime or lemon, or if you have vinegar at home, just cut it in half and squeeze the whole thing inside the water. So you're basically just giving your chicken a nice little quick wash. Alright, so the first thing that I'll be adding is some onion powder. Onion powder, guys. Garlic powder. And each powder seasoning that I'll be adding is just about 1 tablespoon. I'll have all of the correct measurement in the description of the video. Complete seasoning, a little bit of all-purpose seasoning, and once again, guys, all of these powder seasoning measure out to be 1 tablespoon each. Cayenne pepper, and right now I'm adding a little bit of Creole seasoning, salt, pink Himalayan salt, thyme leaves, onion, fresh onion, and then I'll be adding some fresh chopped habanero pepper. Now you just want to mix and rub in all the seasoning and all that, you know. Make sure your chicken is well seasoned, guys. If you have to use 2 hands, go ahead and use 2 hands. Alright guys, so you also want to marinate your chicken after you finish seasoning. Marinate it overnight for best results. If you don't have that much time, go ahead and add your flour, buttermilk, and add it to the boil. But just stay tuned and follow these simple steps. Next thing you want to do is add your buttermilk. OMG, guys, look at this. Woo! It's crispy, juicy. Wow.